Hello, my name is David Lee and I'm a STEM specialist at Singapore American School. I've been empowering my students with a toolkit called Design Thinking that is transforming them into creative, empathetic problem solvers. Design thinking is a combination of a human-centered design process and a set of innovation-friendly mindsets. Why teach design thinking? Well, this creative toolkit gives students the courage to be creative, bring meaningful change to people's lives, and improve real-world experiences in innovative ways. Apple technologies have helped students apply creativity and design thinking in every subject area, lesson, and class. This partnership makes sense since creativity is a huge focus. Especially with Apple's Everyone Can Create campaign. Apple technologies have enhanced the creative experience in a more effective and meaningful way. Here's some examples of student creativity through the partnership of design thinking and Apple technologies. Second graders designed toys specifically for their kindergarten friends. They also interviewed the local community to design a city plan that would meet the needs of the community members. Third to fifth grade students designed tools and furniture for teachers based on their needs. Fourth graders developed solutions to reduce the impact of earthquakes, volcanoes, landslides, and tsunamis. They also programmed and prototyped mechanical festival floats for specific holidays. Fifth graders designed a spacecraft that safely lands a theoretical Mars rover, and programming a Mars rover to retrieve materials to test its properties to identify the materials. I've been sharing my experiences with student creativity through my website and different social media platforms, presenting sessions and keynotes at numerous education conferences, as well as my book, Design Thinking in the Classroom. As an ADE, I would love to help educators develop their students into empathetic, creative problem solvers using Apple technologies. My name is David Lee and I want to be an Apple Distinguished Educator.